we are, me and you, we are seated in the Subaru Impreza STI WRX, whatever order you want to take it in, and 6-speed. We are seated in about 32 or even more than 32 million shillings. How do I know? Because I've broken down the cost of turning your regular Subaru Impreza into this monster that you see, this monster that I'm driving. This has the EJ20 turbocharged engine, 6-speed gearbox, original STI. Man, you know,
we're up the misty soul for the love of cause Uganda. On the streets the story's right, all the new they shine with pride. Toyota, Nissan, Benz or Mazda, we break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's gotta tell.
Enemoruka ina gear mukaga. Look here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Atezo nanzi vuze. Era ngenda zivuga ku Northern Bypass. Mmanje muri impa. Tunula wano mu kisawa. STI. Gearbox STI. Emito bucket seat za STI. Buchaga mugamba sivuga STI lero mwe muwedde. And it feels good. It feels good. The owner of this car loves it so much, but if he didn't love it as much, he would give me this car again. Batabani bange ne bagenda ne beyagala kubere moruka abana bali je yagaliddemu, and it's heavy on the road. Ulira atenji linyanji tya kuba nenjiwa omugere gwange nga bwenjagala okujiwa nyinzo oyita muzine moruka zonna. Now, the magic of the Subaru, a car like this is not something you want to drive like every day, everywhere, for every occasion, or jijayo on a special occasion.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll, from dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Reviews teams we break it down, helping every.
So guys, this car gives you about 265 up to 300 horsepower. The original setting of this car would have given you about 100 horsepower. It gives you a 6-speed gearbox, which gives you a very big performance upgrade. And you see the engine, if it's the EJ15, for example, it's heavy, but it's not as heavy as the EJ20. The EJ20 is heavier, and I'm sure you guys can hear the rumble of the engine. Amanyi boxer engine eya Subaru, tabo yayo einengiri je tokota mwibanga mpologomba ebere kanga. So that gives it a totally different feel when you're driving. For example, if you're driving a Toyota turbocharged car, even if it were a V6, it has a rumble that is quite different. And then of course you get a cluster that makes you feel special. This one, Echisawa making that to feel special. The red color makes you feel like you're dangerous. And whoever did this upgrade did it very, very well. It's neat. It almost looks like it's the original thing. Yeah, I love how it feels. Now, let's go enjoy it on the road.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll, from dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Reviews teams we break it down, helping.
Tuli mu namba 4 katika tugende mu 5 eyo 5 kati, and that's 6, no that's 4, and then that's 6. Era 6 ojuulira ng'ebeesa ze pressure 6 ebeesa ze pressure. So eventually we are going to go back and see how this and we are only at nzivuze paka gear mukaaga nga I'm only doing 50 kilometers per hour. Okitegeera kati awo emoroka ya manual weesingira emoroka e automatic nti savings mu mafuta ziba ndala nnyo. Kati katuddeyo mu 5. Katudde mu 5. Woo! Aba speed tebali awo. naye tukyali mu speed limit 70 kilometers per hour. Camera person wange aseka ndi mu speed limit nze njiraba wano. I'm a law abiding citizen. The power. But guys, no wonder abana ba Subaru babera bagala nga beyagala. The rumble of the Subaru engine that is turbocharged, the Yotano. Nenjidza mukaga. But mukaga bobeera tunule. Tunao. Woo! Yeah. Kansale pressure, engine brake, osoka nojiza mu 5. Tova mukaga lumu. Nogenda ate nodda mu 3 oba mu 2 oba totegeera. My God. Some of you guys have not experienced power. Now, I have about 256 horses in my hands and feet. Hey.
The story's right, all the new they shine with pride. Toyota, Nissan, Benz or Mazda, we break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's gotta tell.
Once upon a time, this was just a humble Subaru Impreza GD5, one that was built for running errands and economy. But this body today hides a beast. One that rolls like it's a rally machine and performs like it belongs on the track. We are going to discuss how this transformation happened.
Pre-purchase checks, we lead the way. Track your car, no games to play. Restore the past, drive into tomorrow. We bring the love, not just the horsepower.
Now, for you to give this car extra performance, you'll need to swap out the regular EJ15 that comes with the GD5 and put in the WRX STI EJ20 or EJ25, which gives you approximately 265 to 300 horsepower. Now, for you to be able to do that work, you need the engine itself, you'll need the wire harness and the computer from the donor car. And you'll need the intercooler, the turbo, the piping, the performance radiator, you'll need the performance injectors, performance fuel pump, and that will cost you approximately 25 million shillings. Kale, bowoguze mulejjaleja million nga 15 kwa 2. Wano tutunulide million 15 kwa 2. Just the swap out of this. Kakati mwobayo kalika G ka if EJ15 ko ne bakuweno no topinga kaka sente, you be saving. No ba wane wire harness yo ne computer yo nebili ebili mu moroka yo byonna. If then you can reduce the cost probably 18 around there. Kati wantutunde million 15 kwa 2 in just this modification ya wano maso.
For the love of cars, Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.
Now, to be able to get that, you'll need to get a 5-speed manual or 6-speed manual from a WRX or STI car. You'll need a differential from the same donor car and drive shaft that work properly with the gearbox. Otherwise, if you swap out this car, no tekamu gearbox ngotademu ya WRX ate diff ya moroka eyamwe ya bulijjo gearbox egenda batekwatagana gears jabazika. Now, driver control center differential gives you a performance upgrade. Biba bizungu nnyo. Oba tuvuganga bana abasajja abavuga kibine ya manyo ngekola byayo, oba navuga Benz yes ngesikira mabega, oba navuga emoroka ya all wheel drive nga ka Subaru akabulijjo nga kamane 5 speed kwegaba byo biralamu. Just make sure you get the original ones. And how much will that cost you? Between 8 and 15 million shillings. Togatta walitubadde ne million 2 nezino 15 ezo meka.
For the love of cars, Uganda. Pre-purchase checks, we lead the way.
For the STI look, you'll need to get you a bumper, the STI bumper. Now, this can be bought off market, aftermarket. Yanga so original enge tunida darangeri. Now, it comes with these grills, which take it. And then when you buy the bumper, you can afford to upgrade the lights. You'll need a hood scoop or bonnet scoop. Mostly for decorative. You'll need wider fenders or matamagali wider. Still, these both are aftermarket. You will need side skirt or baraza. You will need to get yourself a rear bumper STI. You'll need to get a spoiler. Now, to get a full STI look, you also need to add the badges. Look, now, for purposes of this review, we are not going to look at the boot. The boot is not important for us. And then, obviously, you'll also need to get yourself the bucket seats.
For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Reviews teams, we break it down. Helping every driver in the town. For the love, for the...
Do you know what would have made more meaning? If the owner of this car could swap out the brakes and put Brembo brakes and put coilovers that were meant for performance. I want to imagine that is what it is, because tetugenze kulunya. But if you put coilover eza STI zenyine notekayo Brembo brakes atawe moroka ebera stable nnyo ku kubo, because when you get power you need to get stability. Stability is given to you, but the shock absorbers, the suspension system nokwata ne brakes nti webesibanga kami ateteitako buyisi.
From dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Reviews teams, we break it down. Helping every driver in the town.
The one thing that makes Subaru special from other car manufacturers is that majority of the time when they give you a performance car, they'll give you the four-wheel drive that you don't get from anywhere else. And like you see, very clean, yeah? And when you get four-wheel drive, do you know what a cheetah is?
Just photos. Taking tools from the basics up. Tracking gear and car key stuff. If you're new or a seasoned vet, for the love of cars, you ain't seen nothing yet. Fix it, learn it, drive it pro. This is more than just machine.
You know, there is a saying that cars are built, not bought. I think it's true to a certain extent. This car was not bought. This car was built. From the normal GD5 to the WRX STI. It has been a very satisfying experience being part of this magnificent project. I'm going to continue enjoying it until I take it to the owner. But from me and the team here, until next time, ciao.
For the love.